Hello everyone, my name is Trupti Sawant, studying in MSc Part 2. Today I am going to present on the topic ion chromatography using single column and applications of ion chromatography. What is ion chromatography? Ion chromatography same as ion exchange chromatography except that it includes a provision for removing and detecting electrochemically the ions in the eluting agent. Introduction. Ion exchange chromatography is a process that allows the separation of ions and polar molecules based on their affinity to the ion exchanger. It can be used for almost any kind of charged molecule, including large proteins, small nucleotides, and amino acids. Cations or anions can be separated using this method. Principle of ion chromatography. It is based on the reversible electrostatic interaction of ions with the separation matrix, that is, the separation occurs by reversible exchange of ions between the ions present in the solution and those present in the ion exchange resin. Ion exchange chromatography relies on the attraction between oppositely charged stationary phase known as an ion exchanger and an halide. The ion exchanger consists of an inert support medium coupled covalently to positive anion exchanger or negative cation exchanger functional groups. History. Ion chromatography was introduced in 1975 by Small, Stephen and Baumann as a new analytical method. In 1979, Fritz described an alternative separation and detection scheme for inorganic anions in which the separator column is directly coupled to the conductivity cell. At the end of the 1970s, ion chromatographic techniques were used to analyze organic ions for the first time. Since the beginning of the 1990s, column development has aimed to provide stationary phases with special selectivity. Ion chromatography is the high-performance version of ion exchange chromatography. Common examples are suppressed cation chromatography and suppressed anion chromatography. The key feature of ion chromatography is the presence of an anion or cation separator column, a membrane ion suppressor, a detector. The separator column separates the solutes, while the suppressor replaces unwanted ions in the eluent with non-ionic species. What is single column ion chromatography? Single column ion chromatography combines low capacity column, low conductivity eluent, and a detector with considerable electronic suppression capability and enables quantitation of ions at the ppm level without the need of a suppressor column associated with other forms of ion chromatography. Single column ion chromatography used when exchange capacity of the separator column is low. Dilute eluent are employed. Ion suppression is unnecessary. Examples of resin with low exchange capacities are sodium or potassium salts of benzoic, para-hydroxybenzoate, and phthalate. Then advantages and disadvantages of ion chromatography. Advantages of ion chromatography: long life of resins, cheap maintenance, environmental friendly because it deals only with substances occurring in water. Disadvantages of ion chromatography: nature and properties of ion exchange resin, nature of exchanging ions. There are substances such as organic matter of ferric ion occurring in some water which can fall the resin. Then limitations of ion chromatography. Soil sediment geological preparation is more extensive, longer analysis time for more complex samples, can't select specific compounds for high-speed analysis. Sometimes overlap can occur in chromatogram when compounds have similar separation characteristics. Then applications of ion chromatography. Ion exchange chromatography is used to convert one salt to other. Example, we can prepare tetrapropyl ammonium hydroxide from a tetrapropyl salt of some other anion. It is useful for pre-concentration of trace component of a solution to obtain enough for analysis. Ion exchange is used to prepare deionized water. Water polishing equipment used in many laboratories uses several ion exchange cartridges. Applications: softening of hard water, demineralization of water, to analyze base composition of nucleic acid, to concentrate the metal ions in the sample, to measure the additives in food and drug sample, to separate protein mixtures. Conclusion: ion exchange chromatography is a purification technique that separates proteins based on charge. There are two types of ion exchangers, anion and cation. The process involves the binding of desired constituent to the oppositely charged resin. It is related to chemistry because it involves chemical interaction and buffer systems, named the isoelectric point, which involves pK values. It is used in variety of industries and fields because of the simplicity of purification technique. Reference. Thank you.